Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start BMW X5 2012, updated. Connect the donor vehicle and BMW safely, then follow the correct cable order to avoid damage. First, ensure both cars are in park or neutral with brakes engaged. Locate the BMW jump points under the hood and the donor battery terminals. Keep metal tools clear of battery tops and work patiently, while following each step carefully for a safe start. Locate the BMW X5 jump terminals and the donor battery and position both vehicles close enough for cables to reach. Use the BMW positive terminal cover and the dedicated negative ground point on the chassis, not the battery case if instructed. Double-check that polarity matches before clamping cables. Make sure clamps are secure and not touching each other. These steps prevent sparks and protect sensitive electronics as you prepare to transfer power. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you troubleshoot or wait roadside, and it fits cup holders in most SUVs. It's a simple convenience that makes messy moments easier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by connecting the positive red clamp to the donor battery and then to the BMW positive jump point, followed by the black negative clamp to the donor and a good BMW ground. Let the donor run for several minutes to charge the BMW battery briefly. Attempt to start the BMW and avoid cranking longer than recommended. Once started, remove cables in reverse order and keep the BMW running to recharge the battery properly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.